Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the airbox. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my template right here for my airbox. As you can see, we've got a couple of cutouts there, measured all that up, and I've scribed it onto this piece, which has got some overspray on it, but that's okay. So here, this line, you might not, oh, you can see a bit better. This line here is a line that I need to do a couple of passes on so I can bend it. This one is an actual cut. Then that edge there will be the edge for this cut here. So this is 40 centimeters, which is exactly what this cardboard is. So I'm not going to actually have that little bit covered up there, but that's okay. So we've got a couple of cuts to do before it gets too late. It's about 5:45 now, and we'll do that. Hopefully this cut here is good, because that'll be the edge on two. It won't be seen on the side, but it'll be seen on the top. Actually, no, it won't. That side will be, that straight edge is actually this one here. This is the, let's just cut them. So I probably won't film the cutting, just want to get it done. It's loud, I don't really see sparks really, so let's do that. Alrighty guys, got it cut out. This is the one with the angle, not too bad. This one, I just couldn't get this line right. I was looking for my actual grinder instead of a cutting disc. I've got a grinder, but must be at my parents'. But also smoked a hole in my top. Oh well. So while I was cutting these, I was nearly all the way through and I could bend it. I actually broke it a bit, but when I was bending it, it wouldn't go to a 90 degrees with just one pass. So that's why I'm trying to do a couple of passes, so it gives me enough room to bend it. But yeah, it's not looking very good. It's going to be on the inside anyway, so I need to put all the sections in here that I need to cut out. Yeah, this will obviously get cleaned up and painted black. Alright guys, I'm slowly working on building that channel up with carbide tips. That'll take some time, so I'm going to mark out where the holes are going to be for the pipes and find a way to cut it out. Alright, just got the top off. So what I'll do is I'll actually cut it to the same size as this, but I might have to go a little bit bigger. It's always better to have more material than less. Just so I can fit like the rubber grommet stuff on there, so it doesn't cut into the pipes. This one seems okay. So I'm probably going to move this out over the weekend so I can work on the missus' car. So I probably just won't put the filter on, so we can get it in and out. We'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, just marked it here. This is the fold line. So we've got the oval for the GT35 intake, and then we've got the charge pipe. Now, I'm thinking, should I make that a 2.5 inch circle? I'll do that. I'll make it a 2.5 inch circle. Like I said before, more material the better. So it might look a lot neater. And then this will be all the way across. But I just got to make sure it doesn't rub through the cooler pipe. So yeah, there's our oval. I'll get the silicone coupler to make sure it's a circle there. Alright, so I just used this silicone coupler that came from the same kit, so it should be the same thickness, and I put it there, and we just oversized it a little bit, but I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, so hopefully alright. This is all on the inside, you're not going to see this, and this will be facing down, so don't worry about that. But anyway, I'll clean that up anyways, and probably paint it as well. Fold! Alrighty guys, that is where I'm at the moment. Both batteries are dead because this grinder, it chews through the battery. So I probably got like 5 minutes for that. Yeah. This is the inside. That's how it looks on the outside. Can obviously clean that up. Starting to get through on this one. So yes, I'm also using this line here for the top, so we'll see how we go. Be easy to make these holes bigger. As you can see, it's like beveled kind of because I'm using an angle grinder, so it'd be easy to just use a carbide bit and smooth out those edges, but also make the hole a bit bigger so we're not cutting through pipes. It's the last thing we need. Just need to wait for the battery to charge. So it's probably like dinner time now, so I might head in. I'm a mess. I'll head in, I'll be back soon. Alright guys, I'm back. Dinner was mint. I just walked in and looked, and I've got to have that notched out, not like a circle, because it's that much in, and I'm not getting that off to put that in. So I am gonna go up this way, but I'll probably cut that out first and just cut them off. So I have a little tab here, so see how I go bending that. That'll be a bit easier, just being a small bit, and then I've got this length here. But I don't think I showed this before. Still got a bit to take out, that's okay. So battery's charging. Oh, that should be enough to finish this off and put this on. And once again, it's raining. Welcome to Melbourne. Alright guys, I just went full ham and just cut it out like that. Wasn't going to waste my time, so there we have it. Let's see how we go at bending this over. Well, I just bent that with my very strong hands. That worked out quite well. I think that was an end that I'd already... Oh, mint! Look at that! But before we try to get into that, I'd like to test fit it, I guess. So I need to clean this up a bit. So where did I put it? Here. obviously, boop. A little bit of difference, but I'll get this little fella onto there and clean that up. I'll mark it again. A little bit of grinding to do, like with this. This is not as loud as a grinder. Alright guys, just doing a couple of test fits. This is the metal. It's not quite there yet. Need to probably get this out a bit wider. Yes, it's hard up against the silicone there. Pretty sure I got that right. But I'll need like a rubber grommet there. This, I don't know why I think thought I could just flip it and be the same, but it's not. So I've got to clean up that edge. That's one that's going to be painted. So I have got the little bit there, and this should go down, and when I bend that, it'll sit on there, and yeah. So this little ugly bit here, but might put some rubber gasket there. I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely going to have to put some rubber gasket on this front edge, so if anybody's playing around or doing this, don't cut your hand open. But yeah, looking good. I'm very happy. Still haven't put that 10 AM bung on there for the catch can yet. I probably won't bother just yet, because I'm probably going to get this outside over the weekend so I can get the missus car in. So, but I do want to finish the box. Right, there we have it guys. We've got our lip. But just saw that coming in, yeah. Yeah, I'll just push this forward. Use that and the hammer and bent it to the 90. So it's not 100% straight, as you can probably see around here, but I think I did a pretty damn good job. I'm losing it. So that means that I could make a box and fold it. So what I did, just with the cutting discs, I ran the line, and then I got the carbide bit to make a little channel, to make it deep enough that I could fold it over and not really have a gap there. Because you're going to take away more material than you actually think to bend it to a 90. See how, I don't know if you can see, but how much material is actually left there. It's like not much, but you can go all the way through, so it's a nice bend. Could probably still clean up these, but I do need to make the brackets, so pretty happy with that. I might cut the brackets now and come back out later and weld them. So there's my measurements. 7.5 centimeters on the front one here, 9 centimeters on the back one, and 5 centimeters out and 3 centimeters out for the front one. Alright guys, got them cut out. There's the 9, there's the 5, there's the 7.5, and the 3. I measured all this up the other day. I'm going to quickly get the flap disc on there, clean them all up, and set them up on the magnets, and I'll come back. Alright guys, just came back out. It is freezing. Alright guys, just came back out. I forgot that to make the brackets for along here, so we'll leave that for next episode. And I'll be painting it, and haven't welded this up yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap this up. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you next episode when we finish the airbox. Thanks for watching. Bye.